All right, ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind at CleetusMcFarland.com this weekend we have the Klutch Kickers Round 1 Drift pay-per-view going live. Also, if you want to come out to the Freedom Factory live in person, we got plenty of tickets left. Those are for sale on thefoat.com. Link in the description below. And also, guys, we realize it's almost May. It's almost the month of freedom. So it's time to clear out our leftover calendars. We got a bunch of 2022 calendars still left, a couple hundred. So what we're gonna do for the next, several hundred people who order off CleetusMcFarland.com and buy any merch, we're just gonna throw these in with an order in each order. These are great calendars too. So just get a free calendar if you order today. Probably you'll get a free calendar, I would think. But hey, they only last while supplies last. So order now, CleetusMcFarland.com. Check out that pay-per-view if you haven't already. $10 for both days, but that's it for now. Let's get to the live action.
Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Cleetus McFarland YouTube channel.
Guess what, big dog?
Confirmed.
Qualified fourth.
It drifted?
In drifting.
Shoo!
I know.
Right,
Let's go. Fire me up. All right, let's go win this burnout contest.
Can't come here to lose.
All right, come on.
It's McFarland in the house.
Hey, what's up, guys? All right, hold on. Ready? On three, we got to do a hell yeah, brother. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Hell yeah, brother. All right, cool. Hell yeah. Got an El Camino burnout vehicle. Oh, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, you know this guy's running for governor?
Joey Gilbert for
He's
governor.
running for Nevada governor. And he's out here in the burnout contest. All right, guys, up next we got Jack, Stan, and Jimmy. Let's hear it. Come on. Brace your ears. Oh, brother! You're on fire, Ricky Bobby! Oh, dude, shot it.
I like the dual 15.
Too much nitrous for Jack Stan. Let's hear it for Jack Stan, Jimmy. Dude, you had a humongous nitrous backfire. In the arms of the angels.
Well, people finally said no more.
Brother, blew up the truck after years. Oh, is it locked up? All right, let's hear it for White Trash for surviving all these years. Come on. That sucks. All the way, dude, didn't like the Las Vegas air. Didn't like the Las Vegas air.
No O2.
It's never a good thing when your rod is poking out of your oil fan. Real tough break on that one. White Trash gave us many of good years of eating all the nitrous. I tried to give him more nitrous and it said not today.
This is the Stomper. Oh! Golly! All right, here we go. Bay Industries Stomper. Oh my God! Bay Industries. There's our boy. Big number 4 qualifier guy. Hey, listen, we may not have but 2 extra tires.
That's all we need.
But we're here to win. So we have some semi-bald tires. And then what's on Jack Stan's golf cart, aka our pit, our hot pit.
Hot pit, dude.
And we're good. I mean, what could go wrong?
We're official drifters, and we got a hot pit.
Yeah, we got a hot pit. Yeah, we're the 4th pair now, so. Yeah, I mean, 4 out of 16. There was like,
you got car 12.
there was like 25 cars, so to even get in top 16 is good. We got number 4, dog.
Yeah.
I don't know. Donnie just was going hard earlier.
Dude, you just felt the freedoms and had to let them ring.
Come on. All right, we got Alex Anderson, first round. Corvette on Corvette.
Yeah,
How much power is this puppy making?
it is 492 to the wheels.
Is it just a NALS deal?
NALS, got a Texas Speed cam. They're
Okay.
ported heads, so it's factory heads with their port job, and
Okay.
their headers, kind of their whole thing. I went all in on them, and
Well, I got a Texas Speed engine, so close, but
I like it.
you know, at least we got Texas Speed parts we're representing, dude. All right, man. Well, let's try and not crash into each other.
Yeah,
But if it happens, if it happens, it happens. All right, guys, here we go. We are lead, so we're the front car on the first round, obviously. Just got to do our thing. Donnie feels real slick out here, not a ton of grip. So I'm a little concerned about the chase run, trying to keep up with this guy. I don't know how gripped up he is. But that's where Donnie falls, right? Donnie can make a solo qualifier run real clean, real good, but when I'm chasing people, sometimes I get a little bit behind, so I'm gonna try and be really on it today.
Florida man.
He was on me. He was on me. That sucker's gripped up. This is a 50-50.
One more time. You need tires or fuel or anything?
I'm good. I'll send it.
All right.
Hey, how's that work?
What?
How's that work? Do I lead and then he chases?
Yeah, you led the first battle, right? First race.
So we're doing a whole nother battle.
Yep.
All right.
You'll lead again. Done, dude. Done. I'm out slid all the way past the entry point. I shouldn't have agreed to go right now, but hey, we'll send it.
That guy. They went, brap, just drove off on us. Good job, buddy.
Great job.
Thanks,
brother.
dude.
They called the one more time, and I was like, nah, my tires will be fine. I just didn't have a lot of grip. He had a lot of grip. Good driver.
I know, you guys are so good.
When he went in, like, he would just outrun me. I think his line was a little off, but he's still, like, so I could cut in and catch him, but it wasn't enough. So
yeah.
At least I went one more time on him. You know, that was what we gotta do, 2 rounds. It was like a round 1 win for me, you know. We'll count it. So I need a better setup car. I'm tired of this, folks.
Well, then you could just pass over to me, right?
Yeah. All right, there you go. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do for clutch kickers. It needs more grip, so.
There you go.
We only have 255s. Maybe we can squeeze some 285s on it. Oh man, what do you think about this deal? This looks a little sketch. What kind of turbos we got? All right, good turbos. LS swapped twin turbo Huracan, guys. Built by B is for Build. Obviously, you have seen that channel. Big old YouTube channel. Chris came over, he's like, you want to drive the Lambo? And I'm like, I mean,
Twist my arm, Pardo.
you're twisting my arm here. I guess I'll have to. This is a manual, gated shifter, LS twin turbo Huracan with a Holly on it. These probably don't work anymore, I imagine.
Probably not.
And I guess he has drag radials for the back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was looking at that and I was like, that ain't gonna work.
Just spin a whole lot.
What's up, dude?
How's it going, man?
This is our first collab,
Yeah,
officially.
yeah, absolutely.
After knowing each other for years.
Yeah.
Well, cool, man. Can you tell me a little bit about the combo on it?
Yeah, so this is a manual LS swapped Huracan.
Nope.
Clearly twin turboed over there.
Texas speed power.
Texas speed power,
Love
man.
that.
Yeah, it's putting out 1,000 horsepower to the wheels. It's a little more than I know how to drive, so
Dude, I'll volunteer as tribute, dude.
If you wanted to send it.
What's the manual Huracan record? Is there even one?
No, you
We're
will.
just- we're just unofficially-
You finish and you'll have the manual Huracan record. If you get like an 8.5, I think you'll have the stick shift Lamborghini world record.
8.5 would be that'd
would be
be
a lot.
optimistic on these. but-
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen.
What
but,
clutch is in it?
It is a spec built clutch from HCF.
Okay.
Yeah. So
but the trans is good for this and all that.
Trans is good for around 1,000 to 1,200 like foot-pound torque, horsepower. Clutch
Yeah.
is good for like even more, 1,500.
Oh, perfect.
We should have no weak links. Axles are fully built out from drive shaft shop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, like I said, we've never been able to send it. We've never launched it, so you're gonna be the
Okay.
first to just.
Yeah,
see
I'll
how
try
it
and be
goes.
easy. The track yesterday was like really loose, so we'll just have to work through that. I heard you say it's basically boost creeping to 1,000 horsepower no matter
It's
what.
a super linear power curve, and it's just ramping straight to 1,000. Like I can send you a picture so you can see.
Okay.
it.
I'm sure we'll feel it out.
It'll boost creep up there, and you'll be
Dude, thank you so much for letting
I'm
me
excited.
rip
Thanks for
it.
driving
Yeah,
for us,
fire
man.
me up, dude. What fuel?
E85.
85. Okay, cool. All right, well, let's figure it out. All right, dude. This thing sounds pretty awesome. Yeah. Dude, fire me up.
You ready, dude?
We'll see, brother.
Got some radials on there now.
I know. This thing is sketchy, brother.
Boy bought a Lambo once, now he's addicted to it. Should have asked him if he still knows how to drive these here stick shift things.
12.6. We can definitely improve upon that.
Again, we gotta get right back in the lane.
Flight at 111.
Yeah, god dang it. I wish I had more time with this thing.
Too much giraffe tuning?
No, I mean it's just like
Yeah.
Hey me.
You should see it in the burnout, dude. The whole thing shakes.
Yeah, I was trying to
Yeah.
All right, guys, shout out to Chris at B is for Build for letting me drive the Lambo. That was a fun little video we got to put together. And shout out to Holly Performance for having us out to LS Fest West. We had a blast. We are talking with Chris about maybe bringing the Lamborghini down to Florida, which would be really fun. Hopefully something happens there and we can get that thing dialed in. Need some love, but we'll see. That's it for now. Thanks for watching Do It For Dale. We'll freaking see you later.